Welcome back to Madan Paliwal Mirage Sports Centre at Nathdwara, and today we are at the venue.
Heads.
Head is the call. Tisara, what are you going to do and why?
I would like to bat first.
Reason?
One change for each of the teams. Sri Lankan Lions, Leo Francisco, Tilakaratne.
There they are, the Pathans walking out in the middle. Today, they changed the strategy. They won the toss and decided to bat, matching his shirt. So not only a colourful umpire. That's nicely bowled. Good wicket-to-wicket bowling and wonderful fielding. It's a do or die for both the sides.
And that one was pitched up, slashed out, but the fielder kept there. Running in. And that is one. That could be out. And that is gone. Asghar Khan makes no mistake.
Out for 2, 3 for 1 lines. And that's why probably misjudged. That's nicely hit, beautifully hit. Wonderful hit for 4 from this bat. Oh, that's up in the air, up in the air. There it is, the maximum.
Exactly where the field setting is. And he knew the... that is lethal. That should not happen.
Oh, he went for a hike over square leg. Got the top edge, wicketkeeper under it. And he's not going to miss that. He's got gloves in his hand.
Tilakaratne Dilshan goes for 8.
Oh, that's nicely played. It was in his arc. And it went out his mark. The wicket, but wonderful fielding. Oh, that's a top edge. It risks pass for 4. Another boundary to Fernando, who's dealing in boundaries. Moves on to 70.
Count. However they come. That is a rank bat ball. Very wide outside the leg stump by Ayan Khan. There was
Brilliant shot. Excellent shot over covers. Not easy to play. Full toss. Just will also go for 4.
Of Dilshan. That's not a good ball to get going with. It hasn't been given the full treatment.
Oh, that's the boundary. But it's come through because of a misfield. Oh, shot. What a shot. One of the best shots.
How was it? There! How was that? How was that?
That is gonna be bye-bye, Lakshan, I'm afraid.
Useful innings 19 or 15 from Lakshan.
Oh, that is a big one. You knew that as soon as you heard that come on.
that is he goes up again, takes the aerial route. Does it clear again? Yes, it does. And now Marwan Fernando gets one in the covers and
Decides to play that along the ground. I say that's brilliant maths, mental maths on the spot. And that is absolutely brilliant striking from the...
give everything. What a shot that one is. Pitched just outside the off.
Oh, it's up in the air, up in the air. It doesn't really matter. Or whosoever. There it is. That's what I've been talking about. Look at that.
He must be just saying to himself, that's a good shot in the gap. Then it becomes a short hit towards mid-wicket. Flat, hard, and goes the distance. Short, flat bat sit, and brings up the 9-6 of... Comes down the track again, in the gap. Will it go for a 4 or 6? Beautiful shot. Bowled a Yorker, missed it, and Thisara Perera dispatches it into the stands.
There it is. Another one. He is hitting 6s for fun. Perera's batting. Look at that. There it goes. Absolutely.
Certainly is a possibility. The second as well. Same direction, probably not the same distance. Third delivery goes as well. And I'm telling you, Ashok Malhotra, 6 out of 6. You can't write that off. Straight down the ground, and it goes the distance again. This time it's straighter and almost into the Pathan dressing room. Or the most expensive over. That's a one-handed 6. And Thisara Perera brings up his 100 in 35 deliveries. 6 out of 6. Certainly he can. Certainly he can. 6 out of 6. What an over. 39 runs from that over. The most expensive probably in the Asian Legends League for a longer time. It's 6 sixes, 3 wides, and the Captain Marvel. He finishes on 108 in 36 deliveries. And can't forget the contribution of Mevan Fernando as well. Quick shout out for him. 81 of 56 deliveries. What a show. We're having a light show as well as we speak on comms. Who's on a single figure. All the bowlers got some pounding. Muni's got a couple of wickets. Right, when the Afghanistan Pathans comes to bat, they have a target of 231 in the allotted 20 overs.
That's a tall, beautiful crowd. And that is one. He will go for it, no matter what. Is there a fielder there? No, it led by Sanjaya. What a shot that one. Straight in the fielder's hands, but misfields it.
It's now.
What a shot.
Oh, is this... Oh, no, it's been dropped!
But missed off. And that is one is bowled by Pushpa Kumara.
Scoring 15.
Stump goes out. And there's another one. There's another wicket by Indrasiri. Shoaib, the centurion, trying to get one.
Failing to get off the mark. Pathan's 19 for 2.
Pereira, earlier on. He tries to get this slogged out and he get...
Oh, a bit of width, and that's not where you want to bowl for the field you have.
21 matches, a legend. First ball is short outside the off stump, and that is thumped away. If you keep on bowling Ayan Khan.
The quicker you bowl, the quicker it goes off the bat. That's a short delivery, and he... Unfortunately, that's good.
The people of Nathdwara will be tempted, and that is what Ayan...
But and of course, his team also needs the same. Again, a shot.
Look at that, and what a player Ayan is.
Pitched right up in the slot, and it, to use them in the bowling. And what a ball that one by Sanjaya, the pick of the...
Shabir Noori out for 22.
And now it's 13.8, slowly climbing. And with that climb, the...
Dinosaur as far as first class cricket is concerned. Up in the air, bat differently. Oh, that's a big one. Is it a big one? Yes, it's a huge one.
Whoa! Massive! All target. Oh! Huge! In the crowd! As big as Pereira's. Contest on over here.
They'll take the pressure off themselves. He's tried to go big here. Oh! Going to be eyeing it out. Oh my! Oh my golly gosh, that...
A little bit all right. See how slow it is. Yep, up in the air. That's what he can do. Long off in the picture. Yes! This is the class of Pushpa Kumara. 980 first class wickets.
Very chuffed with himself. Ayan Khan not so much, goes for 50. It's taking pace right off that. Asad's down on one leg.
That is his 50 coming up.
He'll need support from the other end. Look at that. It was up in the air and a maximum. But they might. Look at that. Up in the air and a maximum. Oh, it's up in the air. Is it? Another one. Up in the air, and fielder under it. And it takes a catch. And it's game over. He will be disappointed. Askar Afghan was caught by Lakshan Bof.
Vikum Sanjaya continuing. What a shot. This has been rocketed to the bounce. And that is bowled. Again a slower one by Vikum Sanjaya.
Asad Pathan out for 21. That's another one. Hits the timber once again. It's a game set and match to Farman. Out for 7. 197 for 7. Pathans. Oh, inside out. It races to the fence for 4. 204 for 7 at the end of 20 overs. Lions won this match by 26 runs. Look at a disappointed Askar Afghan. Look at a very happy Tissara Pereira. The pictures of Afghan dugout and the Sri Lankan dugout tells you the story. There is Tissara Pereira beaming And the other side, it is Askar Afghan disappointed. This is the match summary so far. Lions at 230 for 3 thanks to Tisara's brilliant 100 and Fernando's 81. In reply, Pathanzad didn't throw in the towel. Askar 70, 50 to 9. The Sri Lankan Lions won by 26 runs.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.